Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tinder with Facebook. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on a device. To log into Tinder with Facebook, tap Login with Facebook. If your Facebook account is already linked to your Tinder profile, Tinder will automatically log you in. And that's how you log into Tinder with Facebook. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.